Hey everyone, I'm so excited to have you here today. Ready to learn some Swahili? It's a beautiful language spoken by millions across East Africa. Today we'll dive into 50 essential phrases that you can use in everyday conversations. We'll cover everything from greetings and goodbyes to asking questions and handling emergencies. These phrases will help you connect with people, make new friends, and maybe even impress some locals with your language skills. A little Swahili can go a long way in making your travels more enjoyable and meaningful. So, let's get started and have some fun learning Swahili together. Jambo, it means hello. Say it with me, Jambo. Habari gani? It's like asking, what's the news? Cool, right? Habari za asubuhi. It's a long one, but you can do it. Good night. Usiku mwema, sweet dreams. Thank you, asante, asante. It's like magic words for saying thanks. Please, tafadhali, tafadhali, because being polite is important, even in Swahili. Ndio, short and simple. Hapana. Sometimes you just have to say no. Samahani, a polite way to get through a crowd. Pole, everyone makes mistakes. Kwaheri, see you later. Tuta onana baadaye, for when you don't want to say goodbye forever. What is your name? Jina lako ni nani? Jina lako ni nani? Meet new people, learn new names. My name is Jina Languni. Jina Languni. Now tell them yours. Where are you from? Unatoka wapi? Unatoka wapi? Tell them about your home. I am from Ninatoka. Be proud of where you're from. How much is this? Hii inagharimu kiasi gani? Important for shopping. I don't understand. Silawi, it's okay to ask. Can you help me? Unaweza kunisaidia? Unaweza kunisaidia? Everyone needs help sometimes. I need a doctor. Nahitaji daktari. Nahitaji daktari. Hopefully you won't need this, but it's good to know how to say it. In case of an emergency, knowing how to ask for a doctor in the local language can be crucial. Whether you're traveling or living abroad, being prepared can make a big difference. Remember, your health is important, and knowing this phrase can help you get the care you need quickly. Where is the bathroom? Chukiko wapi? Chukiko wapi? Very important when you're traveling. What time is it? Satangapi? Satangapi, so you're never late. I love you, nakupenda, nakupenda, share the love. I miss you, nakukumbuka, nakukumbuka, for when you're far from home. Congratulations, hongera, hongera, celebrate the good things. Happy birthday, heri ya kuzaliwa, party time. Merry Christmas, Christmassy and Njema, spread the holiday spirit. Heri ya mwaka mpya, celebrate the new year. Bahati njema, everyone needs some luck. Afya, let's celebrate. I'm hungry. Nina inja, time for some food. I'm thirsty. Nina Q, don't forget to drink water. I'm tired. Nimechoka, everyone gets tired. Nimepotea, it happens. Naomba bili, the end of a good meal. Unazungumza Kiingereza, just in case. Sesame Kiswahili, it's okay to be honest. Hospitali ya karibu iko wapi? Stay safe. Piga simu polisi. Hopefully you won't need this. Nahitaji masada. Ask for help when you need it. Hi Ninini. A good way to learn new things. Unasemaja. Kwa Kiswahili. Unasemaja. Kwa Kiswahili. Can you repeat that? Unaweza kurudia? It's okay to ask again. I don't know. Sijui. No one knows everything. I'm learning Swahili. Najifunza Kiswahili. Najifunza Kiswahili. Keep learning. Unaweza kuandika. Sometimes it helps to see it written down. Hii na maana gani? Be curious. I'm looking for natafuta. Find what you need. How far is it? Nimbali gani. Explore new places. Let's go, twende, adventure time. You did it. 50 Swahili phrases. You're awesome. This is a huge milestone, and you should be incredibly proud of yourself. Learning a new language is no small feat, and you've taken a significant step towards mastering Swahili. It's a lot, but practice makes perfect. Try using them, make mistakes, and have fun. Remember, every mistake is a learning opportunity. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Don't be afraid to speak up and use your new skills in real-life situations. Language is about connecting with people, building relationships, and understanding different cultures. It's not just about words and grammar, but about the human connections you make along the way. So go connect with Swahili speakers, engage in conversations, ask questions, and immerse yourself in the language. The more you interact, the more natural it will feel. Maybe you'll even inspire others to learn a new language. Share your journey, encourage your friends and family, and create a community of language learners around you. Thanks for learning with me. Your dedication and enthusiasm make this journey worthwhile. I hope you continue to explore and enjoy the beauty of the Swahili language. Subscribe for more language videos and stay tuned for more exciting content. There's always something new to learn, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. And I'll see you next time. Kwaheri for now. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep connecting. Until next time, happy learning.